Hi there, Linda here. I just thought I would come on because I'm just off to run a workshop with a group of ladies that I really love working with, and I just thought I would share with you a few tips if something, if you struggle with the confidence issues around running workshops or delivering presentations and such like. Just a few little tips here to help you get in the right frame of mind if this is something that you ever need to do. So first off, I would always think, obviously you've got to believe in yourself because you've put yourself in the situation, you've been asked to do this, so obviously people believe in you and that you can do this kind of work. So it's really important that you also believe that, because why wouldn't you be able to do it? You wouldn't be in that situation. So self-belief, really important to start with. And if you're having, sorry, I'm just adjusting that because my arms are shaking. I'm going to rest it on the steering wheel because I'm sitting in my car at the moment. Think about what it is that's making you feel unsettled about it, because I'm going to assume that you know your content, you know what you're going to cover. You will do lots of really good preparation. So it's a really top tip. Make sure you know your stuff and you know how you're going to run the session. You've got all the resources you need. And if you needed to go and check out the venue in advance, then that's also a good thing to have done that. Make sure everything works. Really good idea. But if you've got those doubts in your mind, and when it comes to it you're starting to find that your chest is tight, maybe your throat feels tight, you're not sure if you're going to be able to get the words out, maybe you're getting even worse, you might be getting clammy fingers, getting sweaty, your pulse might be raising. These are just normal signs of stress, a little bit of anxiety building up, and it's really easy to get rid of that right in the moment. So the first thing I would recognise that you do, first recognise that that's what it is and it's normal. And if you can, think about it, okay, I'm not frightened, I'm not in a situation of fear here, I'm feeling excited, because the two feelings are very similar. So you can switch that thinking. So I'd recommend you do that. And focus on your breathing. Nice deep breaths in, and really think about your centre. Deep breathe into your core and relax. And do that several times. You can do controlled breathing, box breathing, 4 counts in and hold it for 4, and then 4 out, pause for 4 and in. So you bring that pulse down, get that under control, really important. And then if you're still having little doubts and you're thinking, oh my goodness, last time I did this sort of thing, it was an absolute disaster, actually think, well, you survived it, didn't you? And I bet people still got good value from that. And if it went wrong once, doesn't mean it's going to go wrong again. You're going to have a completely different set of people. So you might also have beliefs from other people that have knocked your confidence in the past, or made some little criticism that you've really held on to. Don't, because that's completely irrelevant in the moment now. So you don't have to think that that's going to have any bearing on what you're about to do. So I hope you found those useful. Just a few little tips that you can use in the moment just to move you on if you're ever feeling a bit unsettled and you've got to go and do something that might be a bit scary. Okay, have a great day. Bye.